Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Nay, and Nay flew in today for a surgical procedure. Nay, what made you come to Natural Transplants today?
So I've been researching hair transplants for quite a long time. I'd actually originally booked to go to Turkey and then changed my mind when I found natural transplants on the internet, and I could see lots of videos about the results and kind of seeing it in real life like that. I realised I had experience in my hair type, and so I booked to come out here.
Well, Nay, you are in great hands. You do have quite an extensive amount of hair loss, which we are going to fill in today, and we'll follow your progress throughout the day, and we'll keep on interviewing you throughout the day to see how you're doing.
Thanks.
And here we are checking in on Nay. So how is your day going?
It's going really well, actually. I can't feel any pain now, and everyone's really friendly and great. Actually quite fun.
And you're listening to some great music.
Yeah.
Your incision site came together perfectly. You seem pretty relaxed. And we're going to move on to now relaxing you at a 45-degree angle so that we can make some sites, and we'll start placing the hair follicles in.
Great, thank you.
So here we are with Nay, and we just had lunch. How was lunch?
It was really good, thanks, very filling.
And we've made our sites, and now we're going to start placing the hair follicles back in. So far, how has your day been?
It's been really relaxing, actually. I was really worried before I came in, but it's been really relaxing, and everyone's really friendly, and yeah, very chilled.
Better than you expected?
Way better than I expected.
And you took the anesthesia like a pro. So we're excited to start placing the hair follicles, and we'll check up with you at the end.
Thanks.
So I'm Dr. Siegel. I'm here with Nay, and we just completed the surgery. Took about 4.5, 5 hours. How was your day?
It's actually been fantastic. It's been so relaxing and quite chilled. I had a great time with everybody that was involved with the surgery. I was watching Netflix, eating snacks. It didn't feel like surgery at all, actually.
The technicians, you enjoyed their company.
Yeah, they're so much fun, and they really put you at ease as well, and nothing is too much trouble for them. So, if anybody's apprehensive about coming to do this, definitely don't be.
And again, so many people say the same thing, that once they actually get it done and they are now post-procedure, they realize that it's not that big of a procedure. So we'll definitely keep in touch with you. I'll see you tomorrow morning to do a check, and then at 4 months we'll do a FaceTime, at 9 months we'll do a FaceTime, in a year, and really look forward to seeing the progress throughout each step of the way.
So do I.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.